So did you know it is possible to complete the square geometrically if the coefficient b of the middle term is actually odd? We can do it visually with algebra tiles here in Mathagons Polypad. Check this out. This is pretty cool. So here we're going to try to make a square, so we'll put the same number of x's on each side. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 6. But the problem is with this last 7th x right here, right? We can't put it here or down here because we wouldn't have a square. A square has to have equal sides. So what we'll do is we'll split that, we'll split it like so. And each one now is half an x. So there are now 3.5 x's on each side. And that makes sense because 3.5 is half of 7, right? So now we need to complete the square. So we have to really start putting in numbers here. So I mean, we know that 1 could fit in here, right? But how much more could actually fit in here? Well, let's actually take this and clone it. Copy, paste, 2, and we'll clone it again, 3, and we'll get that there. Let's actually take this, we'll copy and we'll paste. We'll bring it all right here. So that's 3, 6, 9. Oh gosh, and let's actually, let's clone it again. But this time we have to actually take these ones and cut them in half. So we'll split it this way. We'll split it like there. So there's 9.5, there's 10, right? And we'll take again, we'll cut it this way. So that's 9, 10, 2 halves make 11, I think, right? And let's see if we can do this one here. Yeah, I think we could do it. So 9, 10, 11, and let's make 12 right here. Look at this, 12. Oh, yeah, look at that. And 12, and now don't we need half of a half? So let's copy that and we'll paste it there, and we'll get that right there. And so what happens when we split this in half? What's half of a half? It's a quarter, right? Look at there. So there we have a quarter right there. And so now we've just completed the square geometrically. I try to like zoom in, pan and zoom. See that? Look at that. So we have 9, 10, 11, 12 and a quarter. So it looks like from what we see here, right? It looks like completing the square for that expression looks like this. Let's get rid of that question mark there. X squared plus 7x plus 12 and a quarter. And again, we have a length here of x plus 3.5, a width of x plus 3.5 right there. And so there you have it. So it's x plus 3.5 times x plus 3.5, or that quantity all squared. It's in Mathagons Polypad. You can have your math teachers, you can have your students explore geometrically, and it's pretty awesome.